we're going to begin putting our actual pattern on our block. So with my block like this, I have the CO2 cartridge hole off to the left-hand side here. I want to make sure that I have it sitting right side up. So this 90-degree angle right here is actually the bottom of your car. If you'll see, if I put my CO2 cartridge in there, that would push the car straight forward. If I have it flipped upside down, it pushes the car down towards the ground. I don't want that to happen. So you need to make sure the 90-degree angle is the bottom of your car. Flip it upside down and in big letters. And you can use a marker or pencil or pen or whatever you want. You're going to write your name and your hour. And now we're going to be ready to put our pattern on. Okay, here we are. We have our car. We got our name on the bottom. We have our two patterns here. We need to cut these out. I'll cut these out quickly here. We're going to cut out our exact design. So cut nice and accurately. You're going to have to bring your two patterns to me. I'm going to take some spray adhesive here. I'll spray the backs of them. Now this has become a sticker. Stand it up, kind of get it in place. Making sure it's laying nice and flat. Lays flat. And we got that stuck on. My top view, again, remember, because it's tipping down, it doesn't line up 100% perfect. So you leave about 1/8 of an inch up at the top, or about 4 millimeters right here. And then stuff should start to kind of line up. I like to make sure that my front axle hole is really lining up well. This line here should transfer straight up to this corner, and this line should transfer up to this corner. Those are the key points so I don't accidentally cut my axle wrong. Once I get that done, it's time to trace. Trace out. Your entire car. We'll trace out the front view. Then again, I like to kind of color in what I'm not going to be using here. So I kind of remember that that's all waste. Last thing I want to do is put the axle holes, put a mark in the center, put a mark in the center. I can peel off my pattern. Carefully, gently. And axle hole, axle hole. I want to take this, flip it over, flip my car over, have someone hold this, have you friend help you out with this one. But it's nice to get the axle holes on the back side as well. So I have axle holes on the back side, axle holes on the front side, and my car traced out, and we're